Imagine you walking through a misty rainforest. Suddenly, you hear the deep, booming call of a fearless bird. One bizarre bird. Meet the long-wattled umbrellabird. Found in the rainforests of Colombia and Ecuador. Grow up to 50 centimeters long, while females are smaller and less colorful. It feeds on fruits, insects, frogs, and small reptiles. Deforestation is destroying its home. Protecting these forests saves the umbrellabird and countless other wildlife. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing bird, don't forget to subscribe.